Alright, so here's what we're making. Some garlic Parmesan-Stuffed Mushrooms. Whoa. Here's the book that we're using, good old Tasty. Alright. She's already eating. We're supposed to be cooking, not eating.
You're cooking.
You're doing it backwards. You cook first, then eat. Not eat, then cook.
I gotta eat.
This is what we're working with here. Alright, preheating the oven. I got that part down. You're the next step. How about we take turns with the steps?
Once you cook.
No, the whole point is cooking with BAE, not cooking
Cooking the book
alone. Why?
Because the stems aren't long and they're breaking.
Oh. Look at this shirt I'm wearing right here. Making mushrooms, so you gotta rep the Mario.
I don't get it.
What happens when Mario gets a mushroom?
I don't know, he grows.
Guys, you see why I'm wearing Mario? Because we're making mushrooms, guys. Nobody got it. Nobody got it. Oh. These things, what's inside there?
The stem, that's supposed to be bigger.
It's like fungus.
That's what a mushroom is.
I don't want fungus.
So dumb.
Dude. She's my trap queen. Look at her cooking. Oh, live streaming. Who's out there? Shout out to everyone in the live stream. All of you. Sit there and wait. Good boy. You're gonna wait. Very good boy. Let's see the drool. Where's the drool? It's about food. Food is never going. Oh, she broke it. See, it's fun. You're breaking stuff. Always breaking stuff. Ooh. There's garlic in there, little mushrooms. See, I always thought mushrooms were like slimy and nasty. That's why I never liked mushrooms. These don't look slimy. Why don't they look slimy? Rocky. Hey. I'll give a little shout out. Everyone in Uber Goober Lady hanging out with us. Yellow, Harmony. Woo! The good stuff. Yes, our first time making them. Never made these before. Don't know what we're doing. Or I don't. She knows. Look at these guys in there.
Want to try the inside?
Maybe. She can't wait. Can't wait. Cleaned up. Look at that clean up crew. Cleaned up real nice. Everybody's still hanging out in here. Who's in here? We got Yellow, BMW Fan 18, Mama Goonie still in here. Oh, you use Alexa also? That's awesome. They look so good. Okay, go.
Take a little one.
Here it goes. See the face. And you see the reaction.
Mm-hmm.
Really good?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Like, am I gonna like it? Is it gonna taste like mushrooms?
It tastes like mushrooms, but I like mushrooms.
Oh, you're probably gonna eat all of them then.
Oh, good.
They're good?
Mm-hmm.
Show them.
Oh, juicing.
Ew, all over my laptop?
Okay.
I want the smallest little guy so I don't taste a lot of mushrooms. Ew, they are slimy.
No, slimy, they're juicy. I saw the juice.
From mushroom juice?
Mushroom juice and cheese juice.
That's gross. Who picked this one, man?
Your friend picked it.
It's hot. It's still hot.
Oh my, you just don't want to eat it.
Not slimy and hot. I hate mushrooms. I don't like them. They're like slimy. Like, how do you like this crap? Hey? It's okay because I taste a lot of cream cheese. But the sliminess of a mushroom, I don't like it. She's still eating it. She likes it. I didn't like it. I don't like the slimy mushroom texture in my mouth. The cream cheese, all the other stuff that was filled inside of it was great. I like that. But maybe if it was on a little Tostito chip or something like that, it would have been great. But on a mushroom, not for me.
Wait.
What?
Help us pick our next recipe. Pick a page, not 22, between 6 and 114.
6 and 114. Tasty. Oh yes. Alright guys, that concludes our video. Thank you guys for watching and eating with us. We will see you on the next one. Wow, he said bye too. You see that? See you on the next one guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.